Hello dears, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you are healthy and fine. Alhamdulillah, me too. Today again join with me to our online recording class. I will share some of the lesson from math. I, Shahrina Hussain, senior teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School, class 4, sector 7, Uttara, Dhaka. Before starting, hurriedly take your all necessary things and get ready for the class. Now open your book. Go to page number 10, exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3 and page now 10. This page. Number 2, problem number 2. Exercise 1.3, page 10. Problem now 2. Number 1. What we will do? Place the numbers on the number line. Okay. 4,000, 16,000, then 29,000. For the number line, at first I will draw a straight line. Okay. For that reason we need a scale. Okay. Take your scale. In your copy, at first draw a straight line. Solution. Okay. Just straight line I will draw. Now I draw a straight line. Okay, good. Can you draw? I hope. Now we will take equal gap. We will keep the equal interval on that number line. Supposed to be my scale. Here space is 1 inch. Okay. So I can take 1 inch gap, equally 1 inch gap. First one is 0. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Again I start from here. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. Okay. By this way we will draw the whole line. Again I will take from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. By this way we can take more. Okay, we can take more. Okay, I can take little bit more here. 1 2 3 4 then 5. Okay, now let's come. At first I draw a bigger line here. It is 0, it's mentioned 0, then 1 2 3 4, it's little bit big. Okay, then 1 2 3 4, again 5. I make it long. It's make us easy to understand. This is the 10. Okay, that's mean this is 5 then 10. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, again 10. 1 2 3 4 5, it's the middle is the 5. Okay, it's little bit smaller than the 10 line. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, it's little bit big. Okay, then 1 2 3 4 5. By this way we can draw more and more, we can make it long. Now let's come. They already give us some number here, 4,000, 16,000 and 29,000. So how can I put this number here? Supposed to be, I already told you all gaps are equal. Here whatever I am giving the gap, I keep the gap, all are equal. Okay, 1 inch gap here. So if I mention it 0, so that one is our first digit start from 1000, so I can make it 10,000. Okay, now it is 20,000, then this one 30,000. Why I am taking 1000? Because my first digit start from the 1000, my first number start from 1000, for that reason. 4,000, where we get the number? If I mention that gap is 1,000, so 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, right? That's mean this one is 4,000. Okay, now let's come 16,000. This is 10,000, 20,000. That's mean middle of the number, middle of the gap is 16,000. 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, 13, 14, 15, then 16. That's mean this number is 16,000. Okay, now here we already see there is a 30,000. That's mean before 30,000 this number is 29,000. Okay, by this way we can put the given numbers on the number line. Here we can write each gap value is 1000. It makes us easy to understand what is the value of the space. Okay, so this value is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, that's in 4,000. It makes us easy to put the number on the number line. Now go to page number 11, problem number 3. Exercise 1.4, 11, problem number 3. Here read the number numbers aloud and put the digit in number 1 402537, number 2 7080199. If we read this number, we can read it as like 4,02,537, and second number 70,80,199. Now we will put the digits in the right place. Okay, here see, I am hanging a chart. This is the place value line. Vertically I arrange this. Now I will put this given number in that place. Okay, at first I will make a box. Okay, make the box, make it, divide it by 2 portion. Okay, now we can make more boxes by following the chart. Okay, now see, if you see the board here, 7's position is 1, so 7, 3 tens, 5 100, 2 1000, 0 Ozud, and at last 4. That's mean my number is 4,02,537. Now I will put second number also as it is. Here 9's position is 1. Then second 9, same, tens. 100, 0 1000, 8 Ozud, then 0 lakh, and 7 is Nizud. Now you tell me, how can we read this number? 70 lakh 80,199. Problem number 4. Put comma in appropriate position. At first, see the numbers. Number 1, 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. That's mean 1,35,24,689. How can we put the comma? Now I will show that things. This is the place value line. Okay, so at first we put the comma from the right side, because we know place value we read from the right side. 9, 8, 6, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1. That's mean this is the 100 column. This is 1000. and 35 is lakh and 1 is crore. We know first comma we put after 1000, after 100 position. That's mean after 3 digit we put the first comma. That's mean here. We put first comma here. Then second comma after 1000 position. Okay. The third comma we put after lakhs position. We can say 3, 2, 2. That's mean first comma we put after 3 digit, second comma after 2 digit, third comma after 2 digit from the right side. We can easily make a song 3 2 2 3 2 2 3 2 2. Okay. So by this way we can put the comma. Now let's come second number. Here second number is from the right side 5, 5, 5, all are 5s. Can you tell me where I put first comma? Yes, you are right. First comma is here after 3 digit, after 3 5. Then the second comma here and the third comma in that side. By this way we can write the answer. So we can write answer. Number 1 answer is 1 crore 35 lakh 24,689. Then second, answer 5 crore 55 lakh 55,000 then 550. By this way we can put the comma in the appropriate position. I hope you can also do these things easily. Hello dears, do you feel bored? I hope you are enjoying my class. Now let's come another page. Go to page number 13, exercise 1.5. This page. Problem number 2. In this lesson we will do compare the following numbers and put greater and smaller in the box. That means we are using here greater and smaller sign. Do you know which one is the greater sign and which one is the smaller sign? Just now I will show. This is the greater symbol. Okay? And that one smaller sign. Both sign now we will put in the blank box. Let's come. Problem number 2. Compare the following numbers and put smaller or greater in the boxes. First number 78,000 526. Here is the blank box. 1,41,632. Number 2, 9,999. There is a box. 4,444. Number 3, 44,67,322. Then again box. 4,64,499. That last 4, 10,456. Then 10,465. How can you find which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Is there any easy way to find the numbers? Yes, there are some easy way. So let's come. How can we find? At first see, if I read this number 87,526 and right side number 1,41,632, that's mean this is 1 lakh and this is 1000. So obviously lakh is bigger than 1000. So here which symbol I will put? This one or that one? Yes, you are right. Smaller sign, less than sign. Okay, fine. Now let's come second number. This is 9,000, this is 4,000. Easily we can understand. Left side digit, left side number is bigger. So here is the greater sign. Number 3, there is 44,67,322 and right side number only 4 lakh, 44 and 4. That's mean right side number is smaller, left side is bigger. Here greater symbol. And last one, all digits are same almost. 1 0 0 0, 1 0 0 0, then 4 4. Only last two number is different, right? There is the 56 and there is 65. Obviously 65 is bigger than 56. So right side number is bigger than the left side number. So I can put there smaller sign. Clear? I hope it is very easy for you. You can easily do it by yourself. Now let's come next lesson. Now go to page number 15. In this page we will do another lesson. Arrange the following numbers serially from smaller to greater and from greater to smaller and show the symbols. I hope this is the most interesting part of today's lesson. In this math, we will arrange and organize the given numbers from smaller to greater and greater to smaller. Before arrange this number, at first we will make a chart as like our book. See, look at the book. They are given a box. In this box, at first we arrange the number from smaller to greater. It is make us easy to find the smallest number at first. By following the chart, we can easily arrange the given numbers. Okay, so get ready, open your copy and at first make a chart. I already make a chart for you. Look at the board. See, here is the chart. Among 7 numbers, I will organize the number from smaller to greater. At first in the question they are given 98,427, then 56,789, then 6,03,245, 7,91,345, 67,50,283, 97,653, 8,91,498. According to the value, I already arranged the numbers in this chart. Smallest one 56,789, then second number 97,653, third numbers 98,427, and the fourth number 6,03,245, sixth number, this is the fifth number, 7,91,345, sixth number 8,91,498, and at last 67,50,283. After making this chart, it is very easy for us to organize this, to arrange the numbers smaller to greater and greater to smaller. So at first smaller to greater. By following the chart, I can easily write the digits here. This is the smaller sign, okay. 56,789 is smaller than 97,653, then 98,427, after then 6,03,245, then 7,91,345, after then 8,91,498, and at last 67,50,283. Clear? Now greater to smaller. We already organized smaller to greater, so it is very easy now for you to arrange it greater to smaller. At first we already done smaller to greater, now it is greater to smaller. First digit, first number 67,50,283 is bigger than 8,91,498. It is bigger than 7,91,345, then 6,03,245, then 98,427, then 97,653, then 56,789. I hope you can do this math very easily. There is no doubt. Am I right? Thank you. This is the time for feedback. Now you will do the math by yourself. Hurriedly get ready for the feedback. Feedback. Number A, page nong 10, problem nong 2, number 3. You will do number 3. Number B, page nong 11, problem nong 4, do number 2. And number C, page nong 12, problem nong 1, B and D. First one, this is the number line. At first draw a number line, whatever we already had done. Number B, put comma in appropriate place, and number C, put comma, greater and smaller sign in the blank box. I hope you can do this thing properly. Okay? Now collect your homework and submit your homework in your respective section group. Homework now. Four. Page nong 18, exercise nong 1.7 2. Do problem nong 1 all. Page number 18, exercise 1.7, exercise 2, number 1, all maths. In your book there are 6 maths. Compare the following numbers and put greater, smaller or equal sign. We already had done today's lesson. How can we put smaller and greater sign? And in this math they are adding another symbol. This is the equal sign. When left and right both number is same, that time we will put equal sign. Okay? So by this way you can do your homework and submit to your section group. I hope all of you can do the homework nicely and properly. By given homework, my class is over. Inshallah, next class again we will meet. Up to that, Allah Hafiz, Assalamu alaikum.